This is the only video you need to watch if you want to elevate your editing video game. Yes, we all know that after shooting our video, the next thing for us to go is to edit, which is very difficult, especially to small YouTubers or new YouTubers. If you want to start video editing, it's very difficult. So I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your videos with the use of Capcut App. Don't be scared, it is free. Yes, so if you are using an iPhone, just go to your Play Store and download this Capcut app for free. Or if you are using an Android phone, you can just go to your Play Store to download this Capcut app for free. I would advise you watch this video to the end so that you're able to get everything you need to know concerning editing. It's not that you will skip part of the video and some of you will come to my comment section and be asking me that, please, I did not understand this part, whereas it's been said in the video. Please, if you know that you want to understand everything in this video, try not to skip any part of this video, because everything I'm going to be showing in this video, they are all important, and if they are not important, I won't say it in this video. And whatever you know you did not understand, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to put it through, but please just try to watch this video to the end so you get everything and all the information you need to get concerning these editing tutorials, right? If you feel this video is what you like to watch, you want to boost your editing video game, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you all the editing tutorials you need to know about video editing in this video. Have you downloaded your Capcut app? If you have downloaded your Capcut app, so now the next in our list for us to do, importing and organizing footage. Yes, we all know after shooting our video, the next thing for us is to import it to our Capcut. Let's dive into our Capcut. So now we click on your Capcut app, it will bring you to this place. So this is our Capcut app. You're going to see this plus sign, which is new projects. If you want to add any video, if you want to start up your video, you have to click on this plus sign, this new project. You click on it. Then if you want to import your videos, now we are talking about importing and organizing footage, right? So now let's import the video we want to edit, right? So now we click on the video we want to edit. You click on it, then you click on this add. This is our video. This is our video we want to edit. This is it, right? So now organizing the footage is, maybe you want to add to this video. You can just come to this end side, you place it here this way, then you click on this plus sign here. Once you click on this plus sign, you can add to the video at the end. Then if you want to, like, maybe you want to add video to the middle, what you need to do is just for you to split it. It's just for you to come to this place you know you want to add your video, then you click on it, you click on your video, you click on split, you split it first, then you click on this plus sign here, you see, to bring it to this place, which means you can add your video, any video you know you want to add to this video right now. We are done importing and organizing our footage, right? So the next thing for us to do is cutting and trimming. Yes, we all know that if we are shooting our video, there are a lot of unnecessary parts of the video. We don't want it to appear in our video because it might affect our video or affect the quality of our video, which we'll be cutting out, right? Just like I'm creating this video now, there are a lot of things we don't want, some unnecessary things, irrelevant parts of the video that I don't want it to appear in the video. So the next thing for me to do is for me to cut it out and trim it, right? So now let me show you in our Capcut how to do that. Let's go to our. So the next thing for us to do is trimming and cutting, right? So if you want to trim all the necessary parts you know you don't want in this video, which you know that is going to affect your video best known to you, so you just click on the video, then you come to this place and split it, and you can press here and then you click on delete. You see, it's cleared off, so you can just delete that part. So maybe you find this middle of the place that you don't want this particular place, you don't want it, so we want to delete it. You click on the video, you click on split, then you click on this other side, the side you want to delete. You click on split, then you click on it this way, then you press delete. That's, you just delete it that way. That's delete. Let me delete it. You see, it's no longer here. So that is how, if you want to split, you can just do the cutting. Then if you want to trim, you can actually trim this way. You can just click on the video, then you draw this white thick line. You draw it, you can just draw it this way. It's trimming. Draw it this way forward, or if you want to expand it, you can just draw it backward to expand it for you to know the length you actually want. You see all those places we've cut out, you can get it back by trimming backward, you get it back. So the next thing for us to do is transition and effect. I love this part a lot because it makes your videos to stand out when editing. It makes your video to be presentable. It's when you put on the necessary things you know you need to apply in your video, yes, to make it stand out. So now, which I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So now let's go to our CapCut to do our transition and effect. So the next thing for us is transition and effects. Yes, it's not all videos that actually need transition, yes, but depends on the video you are making, then you now choose a transition you want to put in your videos. So now, for you to put this transition, you have to place it this way, then you click on this thick white box here, you click on it, then it's bring it to this place. You can see different where we have overlay, camera, light, effect, blur and glitch, and so on. So you can see different type of transition here. You can click on this, you see this is transition. You can see how the video is doing. Click on this one, so you can just play around and just choose the one you want for your video. If you want to do this effect, you come to this place, you click on effect here, you see video effect and so on. You click on this place. This is a trending, like the trendy ones. If you want the trendy one, we have the opening and closing. Maybe you want your opening effect, like your video to have an opening effect. You can just come here and just choose the one you want. You can see they have different types of opening effects and closing effects. You can just click on it to bring it to anyone you want. This CapCut have make it very easy because they have all the essentials effects, all the essentials editing features that we need for our videos, and they make everything very, very easy. So it's just for you to understand these settings, how it works, before you be able to edit your videos very well, like a pro, the way you really want. So next on our list is text. If you want to write text in this video, you click on text here to bring it to this place. Then you come to this hard text, you click on it, you see, so you can just write your text. Okay, write text that you want. Of course, it's going to be my name. So you write it here, Lizzie the Creator. Then if you want color, you just come to this size. Here we have the font. Okay, let's start from the font. You have the font, which is any kind of way you want your text to appear. Yes, the way you want it to appear, the size, so the shape of the text and everything. So you can do it this way, you can do this way. Just click on any one you really know that is going to be suitable for your video. Let me just take anyone. Let's go for Ferrari. So we click on this size. This size is just how you want your text to look like this way, colors and all. So this is and you want it to look this way. Then if you want to increase, you just draw this size line to increase it, right? So you can just draw it backward to increase it to the size that you want. Come to effect to see all these effects here. This effect, click on anyone you want. It's going to give you the design. This particular colors comes with fine designs, so you choose the one that you want. Let me leave it this way. I think this one is fine. So you come to these animations. Animations is how you want your text to present itself, like how you want it to appear in your video. So now let's do, for instance, you can come to this place. You see it can come slide right side. If you want it to come the left side, it can still come the left side. It can come in many ways, just the one you want. So it comes left. So if you want it this way, it can come this way. Zoom out, it can come this way too. So they have different types of animation features here. You just play around and just choose the one that you really want for your video. Next is overlay. You see overlay is just like adding maybe a picture or a video to this particular video, you get. So let's click on overlay. You want to add, let's just say I want to add this particular video here. You click on, you come here, you can see the video is here already. Then you click on, you can size it to any way you want. If you want it at the side, you leave there. If you want it here, you leave it. If you want it here, you leave it there. If you want it big, you just draw it this way to have it big. So that is it. So that is this overlay. Then if you want to, then next on our list is aspect ratio, which is any way you want your video to present. Are you doing it for TikTok or Instagram or YouTube? Then you choose it here. Are you seeing it? The ratio, this one is mostly used for TikTok. 0.3 is mostly used for YouTube videos. Then this 16.9 is used for thumbnails. This is TikTok, this is Instagram. So they just have a lot of here you can choose. We've done our importing and organizing our footage, cutting and trimming, and a lot more, which I know that you've understood that part, right? So now next thing for us to do is fine-tuning and exporting, which is at the end of the video. If you feel like you want to give this video a grand style, or you want it to stand out more brighten, or you want the color sharpening and all that, so that is when fine-tuning comes in. So, and exporting, which is the final part in Capcut, so which I will be showing you now how to do that. You can see, okay, let me show you, for example, how did I go for this to this. So if you want yours to look fine, you can just dive into our Capcut. Let me show you how you can do this fine-tuning and exporting. If you want to fine-tune your video, which is you want it to look very bright, you want it to be more presentable, you want it to stand up, you want to change the color setting, you don't like how it is this bright, you just want it in a way that you just want your video to present itself. So to filters, you click on these filters here to bring it to this place. You're seeing where you see filters, adjust and video quality. Then you click on this adjust here. So you want to increase, let's just say you want to increase the brightness of this video. We want it to stand out. To click on brightness, you can see increase it this way, you can increase it backward. Just depends on the way you want the video to look like. You want it to be fine, right? So you come to contrast, we do it this way. Saturation, do it this way. So this just it. If you want to sharpen the video, you want it, you don't actually like the way it's looking, you want it to come out like the color and everything to blend together with all your editing. You want to sharpen everything, you come to this sharpen, then you click on this way. You see, I don't know if you are seeing the changes now. You see how bright it looks now, how bright the video is looking. So that is it. And the next on our list is exporting. So after doing all your editing you want for this video, everything you've checked everything, the next thing for us to do is exporting our video. Then you click on export. You can see it's exporting. So I believe at the end of this video, if you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to edit your video perfectly without stress. Yes, because once you understand something, you'll be able to do it without stress. So which I know that after watching this video, you'll be able to do it. Or if you do not understand, you can just go back and rewatch the video for you to get it right this time. If you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video so to get to a lot of people that don't know how to edit their videos using Capcut App. Thank you for always coming back to watch our video. Bye.